Hello peeps. Today, 10th of January, and this week it's been bitterly cold, but today there's not a breath of wind, it's mild, and the birds coming over to the wooded section now, just so you might be able to hear the birds a little better. There is a little road noise as well, but please ignore that if you can. The birds, honestly, are singing like it's spring. I mean, I worry for them, to be honest, because it's only the 10th of January. They may know more than I. We may not get a proper winter for the rest of January or February or March. But then again, it might be mild like this for the rest of the winter. Mild would be nice. Mild would be lovely. It's 2021. I think we need spring as early as possible this year. But anyway, just wanted to share. Look at this tree, isn't it gorgeous? Ugliest old tree, but beautiful in its ugliness. Look at that, it just refuses to die. It will be there, hopefully, for many, many, many more years. I mean, it's got hollow bits. When we have sheep in here, rather when we have lambs in here, they do like to get up onto the branches like little goats. Isn't it gorgeous? Isn't that fun? Whoa, think of all the creatures that live in here. Amazing. All the bugs that those birds are making such a noise. All those bugs ready to be scoffed. Very patient Labrador. Yes, very patient Labrador. It's breakfast time now. We've had our walk. We put the horse out. And it's, oh look, even more patient spaniel. Even more patient. All very good boys. Right, I'm going to go off and feed them. Have a lovely, lovely day.